G'day guys, in today's video I've opened up an Xbox 360 S console and customers dropped it in to get some thermal paste replaced. I've already repasted it, but I'm going to have to redo it again since I've opened it up. But he did also mention a rattle. I will try and turn up the volume. You might be able to hear that. There should be nothing at all moving here. Everything's solid. We have a rattle, which from my research is coming from here. There's 4 legs going to it. It's called the SW5 G2. And what this apparently is a small sensor with potentially a small metal bearing or ball in there that moves around. And that's a positional sensor. It's to detect if your console is horizontal or vertical. And that's to change the orientation of the red light. So depending on the orientation of your console, this sensor here detects if it's horizontal or vertical and changes the pattern depending on which way it's turned. So if you are experiencing a rattle from your Xbox 360, I would say highly likely, if it's sounding like this one, it's probably coming from this sensor that's perfectly normal. Anyway, that'll do, and see you later. Bye.